Welcome. How are you? It's another beautiful morning over here in the village. Right here is Sarah, Miss Sarah speaking, and I'm welcoming you to my today's vlog. I hope that you'll enjoy and love it. So, but before we go far, kindly consider subscribing if you've not subscribed. Hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you are notified. Come and enjoy. And yeah, give a thumbs up as usual. A sweet comment also. The sun is kissing so bright, and actually this is how my day started. The outside looks so messy, actually so messy, so I have to organize it. Start with sweeping, maybe do some washing the dishes. Yeah, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. See, I've already started sweeping, and right here the chicken are busy misbehaving in the kitchen, and this is how we left the kitchen so messed up. Yeah, but all in all, it will get better. So messed up. Yeah, so guys, that's how it looks like. So bad. So guys, join me. Allow me take you through my today's activities as we have fun together. Here I have to adjust this phone in a good position. I need to do some sweeping, some cleaning. This is where I want to hang my chair. So I use it. So guys, and this is my room. This is what I used to sweep. Actually, this is more like a large service area and better than the six one. So I prefer, yeah, there's this one, yeah, this one and this one. So I prefer this one. Sweep so fast. I don't know whether it can be seen. Sorry, guys. Let me adjust it. Yeah. So yeah, this is the broom that I'm using, natural broom. I got this one from some branches of a tree. Yeah, and I love how it looks. So first of all, guys, is to clean up before I even think of thing. There is the It's so sunny, actually. It's January and it's so sunny. So it needs someone to get busy in the morning before the sun gets. Let me check on the baby. I'll be back in a I'll pick you up. Yeah, that's where I hide my brooms because of the sun. This will remain cold and with low temperature, so it won't dry. At least I'll use it for like 2 3 days or even 4. Yeah, so I need to oh shit, my son is misbehaving. guys, next I need to set some water for our chicken. Yeah, this is what we use. We put water inside here, then we put it like facing upside down, and water will be coming out at this place here, and our chicken will be enjoying from there. So yeah, this is what I'll do next, and place them in various places. The baby is now tired. See, my chicken are now enjoying water over here. So guys, right now I'm preparing some githeri. Githeri is a mixture, is a Bantu name, which means it's a mixture of beans and maize all together. So we had cooked it yesterday, and now I'm frying it. It's not necessary that this is the way it should be prepared, but you can be creative with your meal. You can prepare, you can like prepare it using like potatoes, cabbage, some vegetables, add those ingredients, yeah. But for me, I'm just preparing it in a simple way. I just fried it with the onions and tomatoes. Yeah, let me know if you know this meal in your country, whether you do cook this in your country. Yeah, others, you're most welcome. My lunch is ready right now. I'll serve it maybe with tea. Yeah, simple, just simple. Have to taste it.